Kit, say hello. Say hello to everybody. Come on. Here. Love me? This is Kit. It's actually not 2005. It's actually 2006, February 13th. And look, I can get a half minute on this so far. What do you want? If I can get a minute of tape on this, I'm done. Hi. Do you want to say hello to everybody? Huh? Say hello. Say hello. Okay, Kit, can you hear me? Are you listening to me? We're going on to a minute and a half here now. We're able to get a minute and a half. It's 89 seconds. Is that going to be enough for everybody to sign? I think so. 97, 99, 100, 1, 2. I can get 2 minutes of tape on here. Does it get audio and video? That's the question. Does it get audio and video? Oh, Kid. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Say hello. Kid. Come on, bite me, bite me. Show everybody how tough you are. Come on, bite me. Show everybody how tough you are. You're a tough cat. Come on, bite me. Come on. You just gonna lie down there? Okay. I guess you're just going to lie there for a while, huh? Oh, this is amazing. I can get 3 minutes on here. It's going to be long enough. More than 3 minutes. Let's just see what happens here. How do you stop it? Start. Let me just stop it.